From the moment of conception, a profound mystery unfolds within us. A question that has echoed through millennia, whispered in ancient texts, and pondered by every spiritual tradition. When and how does the soul truly enter the human body? Is it at the first heartbeat, at birth, or perhaps even before? This isn't just a philosophical debate. It's a journey into the very essence of life, consciousness, and our connection to something far greater than ourselves. Today, we delve into the sacred moment of arrival, exploring insights from spiritual wisdom, modern science, and the profound experiences of mothers themselves. Many ancient traditions across the globe share a common thread: the belief in the soul's pre-existence. Long before physical conception, it's believed that our souls exist in a spiritual realm, preparing for their earthly journey. Consider the teachings of reincarnation prevalent in Hinduism, Buddhism, and even early Christian thought. Here, the soul is an eternal entity, cycling through countless lives to learn and evolve. The moment of entering a new body isn't a beginning but a continuation. Some texts even describe a soul contract, a pre-birth agreement where the soul chooses its parents, life lessons, and even challenges, all for its ultimate growth. Philosophers like Plato spoke of the soul descending from a realm of perfect forms, carrying innate knowledge. Indigenous cultures often speak of ancestral spirits guiding the soul's path to a new vessel. These narratives suggest that the soul isn't merely a passenger but an active participant in its own incarnation, arriving with purpose and a predestined blueprint. Modern science, while not directly addressing the soul, offers fascinating insights into the development of consciousness within the human body. The journey begins at conception, a miraculous fusion of two cells. From this single point, a complex organism rapidly forms. Neuroscience points to the development of the brain and nervous system as crucial for consciousness. The first neural activity can be detected surprisingly early, and by around 18 to 24 weeks, the fetal brain shows complex patterns that suggest rudimentary awareness. The development of the thalamocortical system, believed to be central to conscious experience, is a key milestone. However, science still grapples with the hard problem of consciousness. How does physical matter give rise to subjective experience? Even with advanced brain imaging, the leap from neural firings to the feeling of being remains elusive. This gap often leaves room for spiritual interpretations, suggesting that consciousness or the soul might be an input rather than solely an output of the brain. Beyond scientific and spiritual theories, there's a powerful, often unspoken perspective, that of the mother. Many women report an intuitive sense of their child's presence long before birth, a feeling of a distinct personality or soul within them. Some describe feeling a spark or a shift at a particular point in pregnancy, a moment when they sense the soul's arrival. Others speak of profound dreams or visions of their child before conception or a deep, undeniable connection that transcends the physical. These are not just hormonal changes. For many, they are undeniable spiritual experiences. These personal accounts often align with ancient beliefs about quickening, the first movements of the fetus felt by the mother, as a significant moment. While science explains it as muscular development, many cultures have historically seen it as the moment the soul truly animates the body. It's a testament to the profound, multidimensional bond between mother and child, a connection that often feels guided by an unseen force. So, when is this sacred moment of arrival? Different traditions and theories propose various points. Conception, the moment of fertilization, when a unique genetic blueprint is formed, is seen by some as the soul's entry point, marking the beginning of individual life. Implantation, when the embryo successfully implants in the uterus, establishing its connection to the mother's body, is another proposed moment. First heartbeat, the rhythmic beat of a tiny heart, often felt around 6 weeks, is considered by many as the true sign of life and soul presence. Quickening, as we discussed, the first fetal movements are a powerful, intuitive marker for many mothers. Birth or first breath. Some believe the soul fully locks in at the moment of birth, with the first independent breath signifying complete separation and individual existence. Ultimately, the exact timing remains a mystery, a beautiful dance between the physical and the metaphysical. Perhaps the soul's integration is a gradual process, deepening its connection to the body as it develops, culminating in the full embodiment at birth. Understanding when and how the soul enters the human body is more than just satisfying curiosity. It's a transformative journey that can deepen our appreciation for life, for the miracle of creation, and for the profound spiritual essence within each of us. Whether you lean towards ancient wisdom, scientific inquiry, or personal intuition, the journey of the soul into the human form is a sacred event. It reminds us that we are not merely biological beings, but spiritual entities embarking on an incredible earthly adventure. May your journey be filled with wonder, purpose, and the ever-unfolding discovery of your own sacred truth. Thank you for joining us on this journey.